What's up, you guys? I'm gonna plasti dip this mother. What's up, guys? Probably not going to show very well. I'm in a weird spot with sun, but I got the first real light coat, and like I said, I'm not trying to cover it in the first coat, just get kind of a real light base on it just to get it sticky. And so let's go. I'm going to put coat 2 on. I waited 30 minutes and let's get it. Alright, there's number 2. Let's come back in 30 minutes. Well, dude, the second coat has dried. I'm about to do the third. It's starting to actually look pretty black now. So let's get this third coat on. Number 3, it's starting to look pretty good. Good to go. Alright, guys, let's do the 4th coat. Not much has changed from the last year. Looking pretty good. Well, guys, this thing's been sitting here a while. Looks pretty good. A lot of folks, it's on chrome, so it's probably not going to last long, especially if I actually put stuff on it. But if I never put anything on it, then hey. What is up, you guys? So I got this bad boy mounted up, and I'm not going to put anything on it. I'm actually just going to let it sit here and get totally, I mean, it's been dry for a couple hours, but probably about 24 hours at least. I'm just going to leave it there. But as far as compared to the chrome, I think this black looks pretty good. It flows with the bike, and yeah, so it took about half a can of Plasti dip. So we'll see. Time will tell. All right, peace out.